You'd let me interview you as Superman.
Sure.
Ready?
Let's do it, Cronkite.
Superman.
Miss Lane.
Recently, you've come under a lot of fire for
I
what
know,
some
it's a
might.
lot of fire,
It's a
but-
lot. You think this is going well?
I think I'm doing a good job.
Your choices, your actions. That's what makes you who you are.
The ball was kicking Superman's ass.
He didn't completely kick Superman's ass.
Holy. Why does he trust everyone?
He does it. Just us, because we are also of the cloth.
Of the cloth?